Here the next part is connecting rod lower. So let's start with front plane sketch, and let me draw one geometry. Okay, let's start with exit. Now here we will make some relation. Select these two lines and make relation collinear as well as equal. Two relations we created. The same we will do for these two lines, collinear and equal. That's it. Horizontal and vertical line connect with this center line. See, we connect this center point. Select this line, make relation vertical. Now this is in perfect position. Let's define. Keep overall width 20 millimeter, 32 millimeter, 6 millimeter. This one keep 4.9 millimeter. That's it. And 20 millimeter. This one 6 millimeter. Okay, the middle one 12 millimeter. This one also 6. .9. Okay, distance from here to origin point. This is the important relation, 25 millimeter. See, now see, our drawing is fully defined. Go to feature, select revolve boss base and select this vertical horizontal line. You can see the preview. We don't want full circle, we need half circle. So here we will choose 180 degree. Keep end condition blind. You can see the preview. Okay, look, real view. Select this face, sketch, normal, select circle, and here draw a circle. .12 millimeter and distance from outer edge 9 millimeter. Okay, and let me define one important relation. Select the center of the circle and origin point and make relation vertical. Now see, go to feature and extrude. Extrude up to 40 millimeter. Select reverse direction. You can see. Okay, that's it. Now select this face, sketch, choose circle, and here we want to create a hole. So center point, circle, smart dimension, and let me define the diameter 8 millimeter. Go to feature, select extruded cut. Now we want to make a extruded hole. Keep end condition throughout. Okay. Now see, the hole is created. Choose fillet. Keep 2 millimeter, and I'll choose this end. Okay, again I'll choose fillet 1 millimeter radius and select this end. Okay, now let's mirror this feature. So how we will do this one? I'll choose here top plane, mirror. First I'll select this extruded part, then I'll select this hole, then select this fillet and this fillet. Now all these 4 patterns we selected here, you can see the preview. Okay, now see, it's mirror. So this is your simple part 2, connecting rod lower. Let me define some material or some color. 255 and here 67 19. It's like a dark orange. See? Okay. If you will check off the real view, look, it's perfect. Save. Connecting rod lower. Okay. Now let's make the next part, plumber block bearing lower part. So let's start. We will start with top plane. Sketch center rectangle. Draw a center rectangle and let me make the length 140 millimeter, 35 millimeter. Now extrude, and we need to extrude up to 20 millimeter. Okay, that's fine. Now select this face, sketch normal, choose circle, and let me draw a circle. 84 millimeter. Okay, now select this line, convert entity, this outer line, convert entity, choose here trim entity, power trim, and drag, delete. Okay, now see this portion is created, exit. Now select this plane. We want to create the same thing but let 30 millimeter above this surface. Select this plane, 30 millimeter above. Okay, now select the same plane, sketch circle, and let me draw one more circle, and here let's keep the diameter 80 millimeter. Now select this face, convert entities, choose trim entity, power trim, and now see we got a beautiful structure. Okay, now exit and just go to feature, and here you will find one option, lofted boss base. Now see here one edge is selected, so select this other edge. Okay, we need to drag the edge, just drag this one up to here. See, these two edges we selected, no need to check any other things. Okay, let me hide this plane. Look, this is beautiful. Front plane, sketch normal, circle, and let me draw one circle. I want to make a hole here, so 40 millimeter. Go to select extruded cut, and here keep end condition through all both. Okay, now see it took the perfect shape. Now again we will make same plane, sketch front plane, sketch, and let me draw two circles. One is similar to 40 and one is bigger, 50 millimeter, 40 millimeter. Okay, choose here line and connect these 2 points. And here also connect. Trim entities, power trim, just left key and delete. Okay, this this one no need dimension, it is over defined. Okay, now select here extruded boss base. We extrude only 3 millimeter. Select offset and this time make 20 millimeter. No, not 20 millimeter, this is 17.5 millimeter, because our thickness of plumber block is 35 millimeter. Okay, now I'll choose again the same sketch, extruded boss base, offset 17.5 millimeter, make reverse, and here also 3 millimeter blind condition, end condition blind, and reverse. See, here is going this direction. Okay, that's it. This is what we like to make fillet. 0.5, and let's try these circles. Okay, let's try 1 millimeter. Okay, that's perfect. Chamfer 2 millimeter and 45 degree. I'll select these two edges. That's nice. Now select the bottom face, sketch normal. Now here we will make some, choose center line, draw one end to other end, and draw one center vertical line also, circle, and let me draw here 2 1 2. Okay, let's draw it, no need to mirror. Smart dimension 12 millimeter, 13 millimeter, and this one 11 millimeter. Now let's make both the gap 25 millimeter. Now this distance from origin point 30 millimeter. The same here, 13 millimeter, 11 millimeter, 30 millimeter, and the same, the last one 25 millimeter. Now it is fully defined. Select here extruded cut and keep end condition through all. See, okay, that's it. Now here we want to make some cutouts, so how we will do this one? Select this, okay, this face, sketch. I'll choose here corner rectangle, exit. Now select both the upper line, collinear and equal. That's it. Let's define this dimension. 25 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter, and this overall length 35 millimeter. Now let me, okay, this one also define from this end. $25 millimeter. Now see, it is fully defined. So select extruded cut and here keep end condition through all. See, okay. Now see, The hole here is created. Keep real view on, plain white. Now that's look perfect shape. Now let's start to make some hole at the bottom. Select this inside sketch normal, and here we need to make some more holes. Select circle. Here also draw one more circle. Smart dimension and define the diameter 20 millimeter. Feature and select extruded cut, and we want to make a little small depth. Make cutout 5 millimeter depth. Okay, now see, now comes up. Select this top face, sketch circle, center point circle. The same thing we have to do for this center point and circle. Now for this one 20 millimeter. Now select extruded cut, and this time we will make the depth only 2 millimeter. Keep blind and condition 2 millimeter. Okay, now that's our simple hole. Choose fillet 2.5 millimeter, and I'll select one by one. Delete. Now choose. Okay, let's, if it's going to select, then select OK. See, front plane sketch. Now here we want to make some cutouts, so let me draw one center line. Exit. Corner rectangle. Exit. Smart dimension 60 millimeter. And 2 millimeter. Select line and find out midpoint and connect with this midpoint. Exit. Now select this line and make relation vertical. That's it. And select this line and upper line and make relation collinear. Now see, it is fully defined here. Select here extruded cut, and here choose through all. In direction 2 also keep through all. Okay. Now here we will make little sketch, edit sketch, and here make the depth 2.5 millimeters. Okay, exit. Now that's it. Now let's define some material. Actually I remember the color 020325. This is the perfect. Okay, few colors we will define some dark colors so that look beautiful. Okay, let's save this part. Plummer block bearing lower. Let's do this on upper part. Now here the next part is plumber block bearing upper part. So let's start to make top plane sketch. Now here center line. Vertical and horizontal center line. Let me select line. Exit. Now here choose circle and draw one circle up to this point. Exit. Now see 80 millimeter. Now let me define the gap. 20 millimeter, 41 millimeter length, 3 millimeter. Now distance from here to this point, it is just half, 41 by 2 millimeter. That's it. 5 millimeter. Now see, choose mirror entity. Now mirror these three lines against this. Okay, any one relation I think we need to delete. Let me delete this one. Okay, that's fine. Now choose here trim entity, power trim, and I'll delete this area. Okay, now that's it. This is the simple we mentioned all the dimensions here. Now select revolve boss base and I'll choose this line as the axis of revolution. We don't want full, we need only 180 degree, 180 degree. That's look fine. Or even select reverse direction, this is also fine. Okay, now that's it. Now let me choose one plane. Select this face, choose plane, 35 millimeter flip side. See this side. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, take the normal position again. That's perfect. Choose here circle. Again let me define vertical and horizontal center line. Now let me define this diameter. $40 millimeter. Choose here circle, line, and I'll connect this line to this circle. Make sure it is horizontal from here to this exit. Now start to define. Diameter 18 millimeter. Now distance from here to origin 30 millimeter. Okay, choose trim entities, power trim and drag. Now see, now this is what the shape we got. Okay, now select extrude and here select up to next. Now you can see the preview. Okay, hide this plane. See, or even you can select up to surface and I'll choose this surface. This is also a kind of command. Okay, that's it. See, okay, this up to surface, it took the whole surface, so edit feature and up to next is better option. Okay, select this face, sketch normal. Now here we like to create a hole, so I'll just make a hole 11 millimeter. I'll keep this hole 11 millimeter and distance 30 millimeter. Okay, and make one important relation. Select both the center point, origin. Now select extruded cut and keep end condition throughout. Okay, see, it's time to mirror this feature. So how we will mirror this one? Let me choose right plane, mirror. First I'll choose this body, then this inside hole. Okay, now see, it is mirror. Again this face, sketch normal, circle, and let me draw a center circle and keep the diameter 6 millimeter. Go to feature, select extruded cut and keep throughout. Okay, that's it. Now the hole is created. Now here we need to make one cutout, so we will go for front plane, sketch, corner rectangle. I'll draw. Okay, let me define. .5 millimeter and distance from center point 30 millimeter, and overall anything. .5 millimeter overall anything, and distance from origin point 30 millimeter. Okay, and go to feature and select extruded cut. Keep end condition through all both. Okay, now see, chamfer 2 millimeter. I'll choose these two edges. Okay, fillet 1 millimeter and inside, and this outer one the same to the other side. Okay, that's perfect. Now let me do some more things. Okay, let's define the material or color. I love this color. $101 $255 okay, it looks beautiful. Even if dark color, okay, let's save the part. Plummer block bearing upper part. Now let's make the last part.